This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Whirlpool Duet dryer that has the F01 error code, and that's due to a bad dryer control, and we're going to be replacing that today. The control is bad just because one of the solder joints has come loose. You can actually repair it, but this video will show us how to replace it. So we're going to take off the modular connections. We've already taken the top off the dryer. We're pulling off the modular connections on the dryer control. Pretty easy, just going to pinch in and then pull up. And don't worry too much about photographing these because they can only go on one way when you put them back on, so it's pretty easy. So now this one's a little harder to get off. You have to push down with your thumb on a little tab and then wiggle it out towards you. So this is that little tab you push down on. And we're going to remove 2 1/4-inch screws that hold in the bracket that holds the control. Super easy. Zip those off. And then there's one little screw holding on the control onto the bracket. Again, a 1/4-inch screw. We zip that off. And then we just want to grab the control and move it toward us, toward the front of the dryer, and then it'll come right out. So then we can either repair the soldering joint, which is super easy, or if we have a new control, we can grab that and just slide that into position, push down, and then pull it towards you to lock it in. We'll put that little 1/4-inch screw back in to hold it. And then we're going to put the modular connectors back on. Just make sure you push them in, get them nice and secure. Very easy to do this repair. If you want to solder that soldering joint, you just pull the circuit board out of the bracket and then you can solder that and put it back instead of replacing it. Just getting all those back in. I'm going to line up the holes on the bracket again with the frame. We'll zip those 1/4-inch screws back in to hold it. Zip in the other one. Get that secure. We'll plug it in and start it up. So pretty easy procedure. Appreciate you guys watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks again.